people protested against Netanyahu, Israel, and destruction in Gaza. These protesters included even Jews and Christians coupled with Muslims. Most Muslims are definitely immigrants or under asylum. In the meantime, public protests and agitation started in France. Protesters denounced budget cuts and political disturbance. They set ablaze transport. Tear gas was used. Hundreds were arrested. These protests shattered the whole Europe. Divide and rule. It is a very old formula of British imperialism to keep the people divided and then rule. Same had Bren done now. Tommy Robinson is either being used or he knows the formula with ties. The sentiments are being used very intelligently as the UK is getting immigrants in an abnormal way. English state allows political asylum for the purpose of using immigrant political personalities against the state of their origin. However, such policies crowded UK with a large number of immigrants. It deprived the local English population, which created a sense of deprivation from jobs. English culture has also been affected mainly by Indian and Pakistani cultural norm,